What's up guys, in this video I will be showing a very famous NFT gaming platform. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, Aura landing page guys, link will be in the description of the video. It is a state-of-the-art platform for Web3 gaming that offers a host of features aimed at simplifying and enhancing the user experience. Now, like this guys, the one that you can see on your screen, it says better, faster, smarter decision making made easy. It is because you could see the real-time data right there. See, when I hover my mouse, it flips and you could see all of the data of the NFT. That way you don't have to click on anything else, and then you don't need to research on whatever you need for the NFT. Once you see it in the marketplace, you will be able to see all of the data or real-time data that NFT entails. All right, now since Aura is a gaming platform guys, you will be able to create custom tournaments and private tournaments that allow gamers to play with their friends, customize the gaming experience, and all those good stuff. Now if you are a game developer, this might be something that would be a good opportunity for you to earn extra income by developing games and then hosting it with Aura. All right, now talking about wager guys. All right, so talking about wager guys, just like what I mentioned earlier, you could create your own tournaments, custom tournaments, and all that. Create and compete in Web3 tournaments on your terms. It's time to take control, and you can create your tournament right here. So see, ongoing, there are no ongoing tournaments yet, so the upcoming tournaments will be announced in here as well, just like this one. So Rareathon, and then the recently completed tournaments will be down here, and it shows who hosted those tournaments as well. So like this one, the ones that were done are hosted by different people, as you can see here. So since you can create your own tournament, you can also customize your own rules. That's what's good about this one. So it depends on what you would like the tournament to have. Different tournaments would have different rules in general. And then last but not the least guys, I would like to show you the marketplace. So right now they have a Zed run. So very soon they will have different NFTs from different games that will be available in marketplace. So you have Sorare, you have Axie Infinity, you have Gods Unchained, Pegaxi, Illuvium, name those games. They will be available very soon in Aura. So those are the things that I feel you guys need to know about Aura. Definitely do your own research. Check them out. This is a very promising project, especially for those game creators that are looking for a platform that could host the games that they create. Go ahead and reach out to Aura. You might be able to grab an opportunity that will definitely give you profit in the long run. All right, so if you're new to the channel guys, I hope you would consider clicking that subscribe and click that bell. That will always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.